am Nishtha.
And I am Vaishnavi Joyal. We all are pursuing Bachelor in Design in DIT University, UX.
And this is our exclusive handcrafted surface design work in which we use gateway sheet and gold and silver glittering.
Okay, so basically the theme of our surface designing is Chhat Puja, which is world widely celebrated festival of Bihar. And these are the main elements which we have used in this surface design. And this is Lord Surya, which is the most and the prestigious element of Chhat Puja. During the 4 days of festival, people worship this Surya. And this is the Kalash. Basically, this is a symbol of luck, good luck. And these are the elephant shaped diya made up of clay. This is also a symbol of blessings. And basically this is soup in which we have different type of fruits, and this is offered to Lord Surya, and it is used as a prasad during these festivals. And this is sugarcane. This is also used as a prasad during the Chhat Puja.
The golden and silver ink we have used in the gateway sheet represent the royalty, and we can use the surface design as wallpaper, the cutlery design in glasses and plates. The plate we use in Chhat Puja, we can also use this design in it. And we basically want to influence the world about this Chhat Puja festival.
My name is Pragati.
We are from DIT University, Dehradun, the School of Design. We are presenting an exclusively handcrafted work, surface design for Gangaur Festival, Rajasthan. This is the wallpaper which we have designed for the dining area of old forts which have now become a resort.
Gangaur Festival is 18 days of festival which is specially celebrated by married and unmarried women. This wallpaper is a visual representation of Gan and Gaur festival. Gan and Gaur in the middle, surrounded by Kalash and marigold garlands.
There are also camels which are welcoming Gan and Gaurji. In the distance resides Shehnai and Dholak. Their soulful sounds with folk music shows the arrival of Gan and Gaurji.
My name is Bolin Aram.
Myself Sulagna Patnayak.
My name is Diya Jain.
I am Vaishnavi Dhotre, and we are from DIT University studying Bachelors of Design. Our artwork is handmade surface design. Surface design is basically patterns and motifs which can be used on any surface or platforms.
This artwork is basically on a festival called Loy Krathong. Loy Krathong is a festival where people float the candles and the lotus in the water, for asking for forgiveness from the water goddess for polluting the water bodies all over the year. The lotuses in this painting represents the same krathongs that are been floating in the water asking for forgiveness.
In our artwork, we represent in the center Lord Buddha. It represents divine. And on both sides, we represent the temple and shrine. It represents the religion of it. And on both sides, here is the elephant, which represents the divine creature.
And the warriors guard the temple and the gold inside it, and the crown represents the royalty of Thailand.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anshika Uppal and this is my team.
Hi, my name is Amisha Sweetie.
My name is Pallavi Singh.
And myself Dheeraj Verma.
And we are from School of Design, DIT University, Dehradun.
So this is an exclusive handcrafted surface design inspired from the festival of Shrivari Brahmotsavam in Tirumala, Andhra Pradesh.
The storyline goes down to when Brahma wanted that everybody could feel the presence of Lord Vishnu in the form of Lord Venkateshwara. So he thought of a festival, Brahmotsavam, meaning grand celebration, in which Lord Vishnu is taken out of the temple in a chariot procession of 9 days.
The elements are inspired from the festival. One of them is Gopuram, which is the entry gate of the temple, and the chrysanthemum, the flower which is mostly used in the festival, elephants which symbolize strength and wisdom, and one of them is banana tree which symbolize the femininity in the festival.
So basically, this surface design can be applied on the lobbies and rooms of higher dignitaries to showcase culture and heritage.
We are from DIT University. Thank you, Lunar.